Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Toyota Land Cruiser into four-wheel drive. First, identify the conditions that require four-wheel drive, such as slippery roads or off-road trails. Next, locate the four-wheel drive selector, typically a lever or a dial, near your gear shifter. We will then walk through the specific sequence of actions to safely engage the system, ensuring you are prepared for various driving challenges. This guide will help you confidently utilize your vehicle's full capabilities. To engage four-wheel drive high range, or 4H, ensure you are driving at a slow, consistent speed, generally below 60 miles per hour. It is crucial that your steering wheel is straight and your wheels are not spinning. Gently move the four-wheel drive selector to the 4H position. This setting is ideal for light off-road trails, gravel roads, or snowy conditions, providing enhanced traction without significantly limiting your speed. Listen for the system to engage smoothly. For more challenging terrain, you will need to engage four-wheel drive low range, or 4L. First, bring your Land Cruiser to a complete stop. Next, shift your automatic transmission into neutral or depress the clutch if you have a manual. Then, firmly move the four-wheel drive selector to the 4L position. This setting provides maximum torque and traction for steep inclines, deep mud, or rock crawling, but should only be used at very low speeds. Confirm the indicator light illuminates. When you return to paved, dry roads, it is important to disengage four-wheel drive to prevent drivetrain wear. Follow the reverse steps for shifting back into two-wheel drive, ensuring the indicator light turns off. Regularly check your tire pressure and perform routine maintenance to keep your four-wheel drive system in top condition. Remember, proper use extends the life of your vehicle. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.